Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube upload on a Sunday. This is another upload. It's a tutorial, and this time we're talking more about the compliance rules. I'm on my old phone. I just can't log in, but I can use certain apps to still do tutorials or uploads. I'm using my actual phone and going over some of the compliance notes that I've been studying still a good bit about, to make sure I'm not confusing nobody, that in case you want to join up under me or either somebody else. Some more compliance rules. It says, thank goodness there aren't very many things we can't do as a paparazzi consultant. These are for people that's already working with the business. You done signed on, you're active, you're a consultant now. These are for these people here. Paparazzi has these rules in place to keep things fair for everyone and also to protect the value of the brand. Look at it as if you own a franchise. It's your business, but you have to operate with the policies and procedures of that franchise. It's the same type of thing when you become an independent consultant. You have to go by some few rules. There's some do's, a lot of do's you can do, but there's some don'ts you cannot do. You don't want to lose your license. You got some people out there that's trying to make it to the top. Some are jealous of other people. I'm not saying on my team line, but there's people out there that's like that, and they see something you shouldn't be doing, they're going to report you and turn you in. So make sure once you join somebody's team, you're considered an independent consultant. Make sure you go by all the compliance policies. The next one we're going to talk about. Sell in Facebook Marketplace or yard sale groups. That's a no-no. We're not allowed to post jewelry for sale or go live in the Facebook Marketplace or yard sale groups. I was told you can go in some yard sales, but you can't do it from what this is saying. What you can do, as long as it's not against that particular group's rules, let me repeat, as long as it's not against their rules in that group, is post for them to join your group. You can go in there and get them to join your group. Invite them to your business or your messenger group page. You can do that. But you can't just go on there and say, I got a necklace set, a black and silver necklace set I'm selling for $5. You can't do that. You can, like I said, get their permission in their group to join your page where you sell the items. You just can't sell them directly in those groups. That's against policy. So keep that in mind. Sell on eBay, Amazon, etc. Consultants are not allowed to post pieces for sale on selling sites like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, LetGo, etc. You can sell though on your own website, your paparazzi replicated site, or on social media. Of course, selling in person is allowed. That's what I was talking about yesterday on the upload. You can do offline sales. If you get permission, get a family support, you can do a house party there and make sales. You can go live and share of your achievements. Alright, here's another one. Paparazzi independent consultants must not sell the jewelry for less than $5 to anyone, including other consultants. This is not referring to the Starlit Shimmer, which is kids' jewelry, and the ZI collection. This means you can't offer specials like a percentage off or buy one and get one free. I messed up and done that before. But it's okay because no one actually did that. I finally corrected that. Buy one and get one free. If you do that, it lowers the price of each piece below $5, which is not, it's against compliance on that. Hostess should get one free for every 10 sold during their parties as their hostess rewards. Plus, paparazzi encourages you to offer party hostesses more. Also, frequent buyers can purchase 12 and get the 13th free. Those are company-wide programs, so we can offer those. Consultants also can't give away any items that are not paparazzi items. We went over that a little bit yesterday during the live. So it has to be with your business. It has to be the paparazzi product. It has to have the logo, the trademark with the R on it, things like that. Giveaways. We are not allowed to give away free jewelry when it's tied to a purchase. I about messed up on that one time because I was still, in training at the beginning. You're allowed to give away free pieces to customers for playing games, like, for example, Blingo, or playing Deal or No Deal. Or you can tell on your live, say, if I get 20 views tonight, that there'll be a lucky person entered into a free drawing. You can do that. For customers playing games, sharing your business, answering questions, anything that doesn't require a purchase. If you want to offer something tied to a purchase, that got cut off a little bit, so if I can find it. You're not allowed to create our own incentives or specials for people to join our team. You can't offer them extra pieces, cash back, or free gifts. You can only offer them the training and support, like what I'm doing now, doing the tutorial. We're talking about the do's and don'ts and compliance policies. That's what this upload's about. You can only offer them the training support, leverage the promotions the paparazzi offers. They don't have them often, so it's a great way to get people off the fence. Create your own incentive for someone to join. Paparazzi offers incentives and specials a couple times a year. It's a great way for people to get extra pieces in their kits. As paparazzi consultants like me, though we're not allowed to create our own incentives or specials for people to join our team, you can't offer them extra pieces, cash back, or free pieces. Or for someone else to get started on our team, you can suggest ways that they can come up with money for the kit. You can't buy their kit for them. You can't buy their box. It's only one person per household. A lot of mom and daughters, they sign up and join together. You want to do that separate, because only one person's going to get credit that's actually signing the person on. The other person will not on that. They can come up with the money for the kit, but you can even hold back an office kit earning party with them if you want. But you can't buy it for them. Along those same lines, we can't purchase items on anyone else's account on our team. It makes it look like you're trying to buy your rank instead of advancing in rank naturally. They want you to do it. That's why it's a business. Do it naturally way. See, that's part of this one right here. It shows you cannot buy the party kit for someone else. That's what these are, compliance rules. We're not allowed to purchase a paparazzi accessory starter kit for someone else. To get started on our team, you can suggest ways that they can come up with the money for the kit. You can even hold a back office kit earning party, as what I was just reading on the other one. This was the actual first one. The other one was the second one. I hope some of these tips will help you all out. As far as once you signed on, you already consulted, you're getting started, you got put in the training groups and that kind of thing. That was most of some tips that I might have left out and didn't went over. I had to go back and look at it and make sure everything was correct on it. Most of it I touched bases. Some things I had, like I said, to go look up. They're so small, my back office, you can actually pull up the compliance there once you join. Like I said, you have your own duplicate, your own back office. All the pieces come in from Monday through Friday from 9 o'clock in the morning, either till 3 or 4, somewhere like that in the evenings, maybe 5. It's a great business. I hope this sums up some of the compliance rules. The do's you can and the don'ts you can't. And if you decide, you check out. If you haven't added me on Facebook, feel free to add me on Facebook under Lisa Funderburk. If you like to join my business page, once you add me, I'll send you a screenshot of what the business page looks like and my messenger group customer page. There's a difference in the two. On my business page, you can go there and shop. Some things, if it didn't get posted on my wall, it's going to show up anyway on my wall because it's connected to Facebook. I have albums up there. Some of my pieces, you can shop there. You can shop on my back store. I have pieces in the album. That's what's come in for Valentine's Day. You can check those pieces out. Like I say, if you're local enough, Lancaster, Pageland, Waxhaw, I do offline sales. Just check out my wall. Check out my business page. If you'd like to be added on my Messenger customer group page, I'll screenshot that so you'll know the difference between what that is. We interact with the customers, people, because we have to build our customer list. We have to add people, make new friends, connect with them, love on the wall, so they can love on your wall. Some of them do, some of them don't. It takes a while, because that's why you're doing your business. You're building your business up. You're building your customers. You're building your friends list. Those two things are very important. Once you sign up, you order your first box. Most people order the cheapest one, which is $99. There's 32 pieces that comes in the box. But basically what you're going to do when your box comes in, you're going to go live. You can do an unboxing, share it with people that's viewing you. You want to get your views up. You want people to interact and comment when you're live or at the replay. They can also, if they miss your live, you can tell them to watch the replay. And if there's anything they want, they can screenshot it. They can buy from you even after your replay live sales. I haven't done a hostess rewards or nothing like that yet. I'm working toward that. You make graphics, learn how to make your graphics so you give people notice ahead of time when you're going live, because you don't want to tell them at the last minute. They're not going to show up. You want to get them prepared. Make sure there's nothing plans on their agenda so they can sort that out, and they'll come and watch you live. Don't sound like you're begging when you're live. Be excited. Wear some of those pieces. Try to buy extra copies so you can wear it. Show your passion in what you're doing in your business. That's very important. Well, I hope this tutorial on the compliance and other tutorial steps will help you decide on who and when or whose team you like to join. Hope you have a great rest of the Sunday. It's 11:09 a.m. in my neck of the woods. Do something productive. If you already still new and you're already a paparazzi consultant, keep taking notes, setting goals, and find other training videos. You can keyword in the Google search and YouTube, and they'll list a whole bunch of things that helps you progress more and growth in your business. Well, have a great Sunday. Later, and remember, as a reminder, before I leave that out, I go live on my personal wall tonight at 8 o'clock p.m. You don't want to miss it. Show up, interact and comment. Say a friendly hello so I'll know who's actually on my live. Thanks, and bye.